Okay, here we go. This is an unboxing of my Syma, whatever you call it, S107 mini RC helicopter. So, here we go. This is what comes in the box. All kinds of things. Alright, so box. Here's the main goodies. I've taken the liberty of unzip tying or twist tying everything already. So here you go. Here's your little mini helicopter. Very cool piece. And your remote, which is pretty clever, has a charging cable right on the back of it there. And it takes 6 AA batteries. So we'll get rid of the bubble pack stuff there. We'll see what else comes in the box. Do not return this to the store warnings. Something about a manual. We get some stickers here with some nice country flags on them. That's cool. And a little helipad, little sort of laminated helipad jobby, so we can put that down there. Awesome. And also a little goodie treat bag here it comes with. It has a USB charging adapter, a little Phillips screwdriver, and a spare, you can see it in there, spare tail rotor. In case you wreck your tail rotor. That's the important stuff that comes in the box. Now, I've already charged this and I have batteries in the transmitter. We will see about having it fly around a little for you.